Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I am Noob, and this is tech that I got a little finessed on. So what we'll have here today is the MacBook A1811. This was made in 2006 or 7. It's an Intel Core 2 Duo. This variant has 4 gigs of RAM. So that leads me to believe that this was made in 07 because you could get this as 32-bit or 64-bit. The 32-bit variant comes with 1 gig of RAM. I think it comes with two 512 megabyte sticks, or 2 gigs of RAM in the form of two 1 megabyte sticks, DDR2. How I got finessed was I saw this on Facebook Marketplace. Said it had issues staying powered on. Still worked good. It was $30, which, I mean, 30 bucks, fuck it. But the pictures were not clear. I've never seen this before. I took the battery out myself to check the hard drive and the RAM. And it just looked a lot different than anything I'd seen before. I also didn't notice that these were Philips. So I thought this was much newer. I thought this was even newer than my MacBook Air. No, not at all. Actually, much older. So yeah, tried turning it on. It turns on. Tried getting into it. It has an account on it for a Victoria. Now, I don't think that the 60-some-odd-year-old Mexican dude that I bought this from is named Victoria. And just for shits and giggles, I tried asking him for a password. He just never responded. But yeah, also I asked him what year this was made, and he told me it was like 2017, and that's not his fault. That's my fault for just accepting that. Okay. This is why you do more research. I also had to drive like 15 miles. I was on my way to go pick up tamales, so I was like, I wasn't gonna just I just took it. Whatever. We're gonna try to make this shit work. That's all I'm trying to say. So we're gonna do this. Should work now. Does it only work one way on this piece of crap? Oh, I saw lights.
Coming like between 9:30 and 10 tomorrow. Oh no, Friday.
Oh, okay. And it making a noise. Oh, that's an ugly light. Okay. Oh man. Well, Tor. It's a worker. Can you do this with no password? Okay. So, here, let's try this. Okay. Maybe we do this. Oh, Victoria. Who the hell is that? What? Oh. Guess we're gonna have to reset it. Okay, so we've got Victoria's freaking MacBook here, whoever the hell that is. And we need to figure out how. I'm pretty sure these old ones are pretty easy to, oh fuck. Reset the password on. I gotta turn this dang TV back on so it's not so dang desolate in here. Honey Bun's asleep, dreamsicles. But he's just staring at me over there like a psycho. Oh shit. I was supposed to wait to do that because now it's not gonna go to the fucking boot menu or, I'm sorry, recovery or whatever. So we'll have to, well, let me just show you what's going on here. We'll get this Chromebook Team of Chromebook up. What's up, dudage? Huh? Mr. Kitty? Huh, Mr. Kitty? And then I'll go back to Hulu. Instead of Murder Show, we'll put on King of the Hill. So, oh, I just guessed. It just says Tor. What if we try a computer? Okay, what if we try this? What if we try that? Okay, what if we just fuck off? And then we do that. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, so how to enter, or how to reset password on MacBook model A1181 without password. That's a key. Okay, so we need to press and hold the Command and R keys basically as it turns on. So I gotta plug this in and then do that because it's a dead battery, so it's gotta be done through plugging in. We have this. So it looks like there's two options. The first one we're gonna try is macOS recovery, which is the preferred method, but it says some older macOS variants, macOS X variants, don't have this, so you gotta use single user mode. Okay, so Command and R right upon power on. Okay. Oh, this fucking piece of shit. I hate this plug. Come on. Really? It's just working. Fucking. Oh, god damn it. Okay. Command and R. Apple logo appears. I'm not gonna let go until I know. What happening? Oh. Okay. I guess we are going to have to do immediately hold down. We'll have to do Command S. Okay. Command S. Okay. Do something. Hey. Alright. So now, wait until the text stops scrolling. And then type dash sbin, bib, bin, dash fusuck, space, this thing, hyphen y, okay, and then press return. Okay, type dash s bin dash mount space this thing hyphen UAW and press return. Okay. Type with your actual short account name Password. Okay, pass. Oh wait, yeah, pass WD. I think it's just Tor. Like that, maybe. I might have to go back and see what the fucking username is. Replace. Okay. Okay, let's try password Tor. No. Oh. Unknown username. Okay. Password Tor. Hold on. Password. Is there spaces in there? No. Tor. Oh, maybe that's it. Let's try that one. Tor. Ooh. All right, cool. Let's type the new password. We're gonna do something very, very, very secure. Wait, what? Type the new password. Okay, password. Tor. De. Okay. Usage password. Oh, do I have to put brackets? Maybe. No. Type the new password and then press return. Okay. Oh, okay. I think it's supposed to just reboot now, and it's supposed to be done. I guess we'll find out. Yeah, the last set of instructions said you entered a password to put to like a new password, but I don't. This set of instructions says you just put that, and then once it does those command things after you put the password username thing in the brackets, it should be done. Supposedly, maybe there's just no password now. It just gets rid of it. I guess we're gonna find out. Don't look like it. Oh. Okay. Okay, we're gonna try something else. First, we're gonna start with mount. Oh wait, I gotta do the S-bin thing. We gotta do S-bin. FSCK dash FY. Okay, I think now we can do S-bin. Oh yeah, it's still doing shit. Okay, oh sorry, now we can do the S-bin mount, S-bin dash mount, EW dash. Okay, so now pass word. Oh wait, hold on, there's this new command I gotta do. Launch CTL load system library launch daemons com.apple open directory d dot plist. Okay. Okay, let's just try the password. Shit. Password. Tor. It's this fucking little shit right here. That's the fucking username. What? Okay. Then I don't think this is gonna work. How did I get it to work with the D last time then? I don't think that did anything. Okay. Launch. Reset password. Reset, can't additional terminal type password, terminal type. Fuck, I don't know. 1, 2, last one. Tor. Okay. Better idea. Well, if you can't. Oh, I didn't press the fucking option key. That was the command key. Okay, we're here to try this shit again. Yeah, I guess. Try the second EFI boot option. It's gonna do the same thing, probably because both of those options are actually the same thing. I'm starting to think this might not be anti-X386, although I'm pretty sure it should be. I'm pretty sure that's the last thing I fucking put on this flash drive for this stupid netbook. I'm gonna let this shit just fucking wind up for the next 20 minutes and see what happens. Oh, that's why this was so fucking difficult. I can't believe that we actually fucking got Winix running on this motherfucker on accident. This was not the goal at all. Yeah, that was not what I was trying to do. We're gonna have to start over. You know what, bro? Fuck it. I shouldn't have turned that shit off because I want to know. Yeah, I'm watching TV though. It's like 2 in the or 1 in the morning. Ah, god damn it! This stupid fucking plug. I really need to change that outlet. But I'm gonna just say fuck it, and I'm gonna put this Winix drive back in here. Cause shit. Sorry, babe. She's sleeping. Why the hell not? And we're gonna see definitively if this is a 64-bit or 32-bit duo. And then we can say we ran a Linux copy of Windows on an ancient Apple MacBook. What the hell though? Give her a shot. This ought to take like 20 minutes, so I'll be back eventually. I gotta be quiet though, because she out. I was doing research on there, and I was like, so if this was 32-bit, wouldn't that mean that the 64-bit OS on here wouldn't work? And it says not necessarily. It has the capability of using 64-bit. It is 64-bit. It's just restricted to 32-bit through firmware or some shit. And so it can boot it. It's just trying to see whether it's using 64-bit or 32-bit, I think is what it was saying. Maybe. Ooh, stuff. But I'll tell you what, it sure seemed like this copy of Windows by Linux sure booted faster on this older MacBook than the copy of Mac OS by Linux did on that newer MacBook. So that's saying something, I think. You're welcome. Some shit's happening. Looks a little funky. That's alright though. Fans screaming low. There we go. We got a whole trifecta right here. Windows, Linux on Mac. Oh, Mac. Holy shit. Wow. This is fucking wild. I'd be shocked if we could go to the internet. I tried putting this on what? What did I try putting this on? It really fucking sucked. Oh, my HP. That's like 8 or 9 years newer than this. Wow, it's got the time? What the hell? That's crazy. Okay, so let's go to their system here. Oh, we're in the system. Okay. Intel Core Duo. 2.2 gigahertz. Ooh. Okay, so I don't know. It's not saying whether this computer is I have to imagine x64 processor, yeah. That means that this is a 64-bit. So, I guess we're good. Oh, look, we only have 441 hours and 45 minutes until our battery is fully charged. Very good, very good. I want to see if we can't connect to some Wi-Fi. Alright, look at that. We are connected to the internet. That's fucking wild. I wonder if I can figure out how much storage this hard drive has. I want to say it's probably like system information. Sure. Oh, I'm already there? Okay. I want to know. God damn it. Storage. System settings. All known devices. Oh shit. Whatever. Let's see. Let's go back here. Oh, storage. Demo. Enter. There we go. Cool. Okay, so it's a 500 gigabyte hard drive. That's what that means. So that's good to know. A 500 gigabyte hard drive. You know, it just like you can't help but notice. Like even the trackpad, this thing works. This trackpad and mouse works way better than that stupid fucking HP does. And you can't help but like appreciate the quality of Apple's products. I mean, man, like this thing handles this operating system so far. I mean, like leaps and bounds better than that freaking what's it called, the HP laptop I was just talking about. I mean, I couldn't even get this to come up. I had to end up using my touchscreen desktop just to try this out and see how it worked. And I'm telling you, that HP laptop was made, I think, in like 2016 or 2017. It might have been 2015. This laptop was made in 2006 or 2007. And it's still, I mean, for my money, runs better. That has an AMD processor in there. It's like an AMD A8 or something, like a 9th gen, I think. I don't know. But let's see how an install goes for Brave on this, because we even had issues installing Brave on a 4th gen i3 in that, what's it called, that touchscreen desktop. And I think I was able to end up freaking downloading it towards the end, but while this is working, we're gonna see if we can even try to load a YouTube video, see how a YouTube video plays on this thing, because I obviously was not able to get into the Mac OS system, couldn't figure out how to reset the password. I would assume this means recovery modes should work. Maybe I'm wrong though. It's actually pretty nifty. I have this camera holder on this keyboard holder of this desk, and yeah, I can move it in and out as need be. Anyways, Astro Menace. This fan is fucking struggling, Jack. Let's see if I can right click to open it. I don't think we'll be downloading this on here. I think that's a little, what you call it? A little hopeful, wishful thinking would be to download this operating system. I don't think it's gonna work very well. But what I'm gonna do is find a far more lightweight operating system and probably throw it on here, because I do think that that's gonna make this thing usable, basically, once again. I mean, just the fact that I'm able to even like somewhat navigate in the system that was this operating system that was made, I mean, literally a decade later, like, I think is when this thing, I don't even know, I'm just shitting out my ass, shitting words out of my mouth, but I know Linux is not an operating system that's been around as long as this fucking MacBook has, so, like, the fact that we could even get in here, open up our menus, can't get the browser to fucking open, but maybe if we come in here, I'm gonna end up with like 6 Microsoft Edge tabs open, and they're all gonna just freeze this freaking system entirely. It's gonna seize, but which is another reason why, like, it wouldn't make sense to download this in here. But the fact that we're like even able to navigate through this somewhat, I keep opening and closing shit, but I really want to go on the internet. I mean, there's desktop computers that were made 8-9 years after this that don't have Wi-Fi capability, like, or Bluetooth, you know. They have to add that in, or you have to freaking get an external card or something for you, you know, take up a USB port. Let's see what advanced system settings holds for us. And I wasn't expecting this thing to have 4 gigs. I thought this was gonna either have the 1 or maybe 2 gigs. Device manager, all hardware devices installed on this computer. System protection. System restore to a previous restore point. Yeah. That would imply that I had a... What happens if we open a task manager? I didn't do that when I was using this last time. Control-Alt-Delete. I would assume that opens some sort of task manager. Huh. Let's see, Macintosh hard drive. Well, I think that we're gonna just, oh, is this fucking download actually moving along? Holy shit. Oh. I think she got a little too hot for her britches. Okay. Well, I'm gonna find an operating system that actually works for this thing. I'll be back. Okay, so we gotta be very, very quiet. She's sleeping. And we got murder on the background because she likes to fall asleep to murder. That's not a red flag, I promise. But what we're gonna do tonight, it's still early this evening. She went to bed early. It's only 1:30 in the morning. And we've got, I don't know if you can see that. Hold on. It's our, fuck. Right here, dudes. Swap meat, sand dicks, upside down. Fucking stay open. Okay. No. Okay. There we go. Shouldn't have taken a whole fucking minute to plug that in, but it did. I'm not gonna say what it is yet, but hopefully this chime isn't too loud. Okay. Oh, we got a red light. Okay, option. San Domingo. Got close. Ooh, there we go. And it's only one option. That's lovely. Hate having to freaking choose which one's probably gonna work, but realize that they're both the same thing. Let's see what happens. Now, one thing that we noticed with our last attempt when we just put that random USB drive in. That was quick. When we put that last, I don't know what that means. Hold on. Okay, so one of these is essentially the modern way to enter the system and the non-modern way. We're gonna choose non-modern, as this thing is older than fucking probably half the creators on this platform. Anyways, what the fuck was I saying? Yeah, Winx on that little shitty blue drive. That shit actually booted up on this, and it actually booted it up quicker than it did on that fucking laptop over there, which ironically I used to make this bootable drive on a Raspberry Pi Imager, no less. This booted up quicker than I expected. I think it even booted up quicker than our $25 Windows 7 PC. If it sounds like I'm talking seductively into the microphone, it's because I am trying not to wake the woman. I could go to another room, but I don't want to. We'll let this do its thing. I don't know what's going on here. Leafy stuff. Can you see that? Here, you got a scratch. Stop that. You're welcome. Holy good mother of God, we are in. And I think before we even fuck around with anything, we're gonna install, because I think this thing might have an issue with shutting down on its own. I don't know if it was just a fan or if it was something else, or like, because Winx was getting really hot and the fan was going brrr, and then it just went. It's okay. It's okay. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. It's okay. It's okay. I just have problems. Anyways. This is definitely more peaceful than my ranting about an old MacBook and Linux. That's pretty good though. Nice. No warnings that this is not gonna work. Ooh, I can customize. No. Let's do this first. There's a surprise afoot. Yes. Oh, wait, what? No. Book. Yeah. What? No. Nah. Yes. Los. Yes. Fuck. Mold book. Very secure. Very secure. Way more secure. Yeah. All right. Let it move on. I will say this thing is actually like surprisingly quiet compared to what was going on last night. That's for damn sure. Didn't even open a web browser, but it was fucking roaring, Jack. We're getting close, and it's getting louder. Come on, just get through it before you crash. Or shut off, I should say. This battery is totally dead, too. I wonder if taking the battery out would actually be better and keep it from shutting off. Holy shit, brother. Is that it? You're not gonna tell me to take the stick out and fucking start her back up? Alright. I also got better internet, but we're still gonna connect to the old one since I know the password off the top of my head. Alright, let's see if we can get something we couldn't get going yesterday going. Yeah, right away. Alright, you know what we're gonna do. This has been a pretty seamless experience so far, to be quite honest, with this old MacBook. I feel like this works better than even that thing does, or did, because I had MX Linux on that, the same exact OS on there, and it worked. But I feel like this has been smoother. Let's see. Let's make this even more relevant. Really, really fast. Oh, look at that. There we go. Now, make sure the volume isn't too loud. And make sure our system volume is. Are speakers working? Oh, system volume. Oh. Sorry. You cold? Closer. Okay, so we know the sound works. It's HD as high as this one goes, this video. Let's see. Is there a scroll? No. Here. This one might have 4K. Oh shit. Oh, now we're having to do a little bit of... Ooh, there it goes. Well, let's try something. We've got our screwdriver and the right amount of light. Okay, back to the cheapo. Oh shit, I closed it. That wasn't what I was supposed to do. Okay. Launch it. We'll take this guy, put it back in the stick hole. We'll go to choose device. And we will take this bar. We'll go here. Just to be safe, I don't think we'll fuck off with that. And then we'll just use a custom. And I guess we'll give it away. But we'll select that guy. And then the drive we just used. Hit next. No. Yes. Password. And baba. retire this for now. I want to continue this recording in the morning. That is not going to matter to you. But I just had a thought. And I'm going to run with it. This is going to be kind of a long video now, but it's going to be funny. Good night. See you in 2 seconds. Okay, after turning it off and on about a bunch, it actually finally booted this time. Took a minute though. I'm not gonna say it connected right away because it definitely did not get to some Wi-Fi. And we're connected to the interwebs.
Turns out, I have AFib, which increases the risk of stroke about 5 times. Symptoms like a regular heartbeat, heart racing, chest pain, shortness of breath, more like that.
Look at that, we're in safe pause. %, CPU usage. Oh, I connected to the old Wi-Fi. That's probably what I was thinking. Okay, connected to the right one. Oh man, yeah, that was way faster.
But before detectives have a chance to verify Matthew's alibi, the forensics team processing Phyllis's vehicle provides them with a stunning new piece of information. Phyllis wrote a letter.
They did find a letter that she had written to someone named Jancy.
Okay. Let's see, let's make sure the sound is... Oh yeah, the sound works. I think I did all this already. I just don't remember. Oh no, I didn't want to do that. Oh well. I guess this proves it still works. I don't know how good, but it definitely still works.
I have to wonder if Phyllis's ex-boyfriend Matthew found the letter and learned that she was pregnant by another man in the
The internet was so much faster with my new Wi-Fi. I wonder if half the problems I was having was due to my Wi-Fi. Oh, well, the shutdown problem sure wasn't. That seems like it's an overheating issue. And you know what? By the feeling at the back of this, bottom of this, I'd have to say that's probably it. You know what would help too? Some fucking air flow. I wonder if I could take this fucking thing off and drill holes in this. I want to do it with my actual MacBook too. I've seen a video by Salem Techsperts that did that. Don't mind the murder in the background. It's just true crime. Horrible. Poor girl. Anyways, thanks for watching. I know shit gets weird here sometimes. Especially, it's gonna get a little weirder, probably a little stranger. I gotta go back to work. So, yeah. Yeah. Fun. I know I sound thrilled. Anyway, talk to you soon. I am very grateful though. Thank you guys for watching. I just want to say real quick, again, really appreciate everybody who's been supporting, watching, commenting, criticizing, letting me know, what I need to do, even if it's, I don't care if you're mean. I don't give a shit at all. I'm just happy that you even care enough to say anything or care enough to stick around for longer than 10 seconds or, there's so much that I appreciate about everything about this. You guys have been wonderful. Thank you so much for all your guys' support. I'm going to do my best to keep these things coming as often as I possibly can, even though I'm going to be a lot busier and have a lot less time. But again, let me know what you think down below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm out of here. Thank you guys so much. Love you guys.